This is the best horn that I've ever been blessed to been able to play on. It's a $500 horn. The brand is called Opus USA, and you don't the mouthpiece that comes with it allows you to play it. Like it doesn't really matter what horn or what mouthpiece you choose. You just need to invest in your education. You're not learning these things in college. You won't even learn these things at Juilliard. You have musicians that get their master's degree just to find out that they're not going to get a job anytime soon, or not a very well paying job. So. So it's like you can play whatever you want. But, there's people that are here to play low parts and there's people here to play high parts. Like, I'm not very well at playing low because I haven't invested the time, just because I've invested the time in improving my strengths instead of manifesting my weaknesses. Like, I can't really play low. It's playing lower than my pay grade. But I can still do it after I warmed up. These are the first sounds of the day. Now, you have professional musicians that are playing those kind of sounds. That's not in tune. So you need to develop your relative pitch. And if you need to develop your relative pitch and you're not getting it, then developing perfect pitch or absolute pitch will allow you to gain your relative intonation. So it's in your mind first, and then you'll have it manifest in your sound. But if you can buzz it, if you can sing it, if you can hum it, then you can buzz it. If you can buzz it, then you can play it. If they're playing sharp, then play sharp. But you'll know how to play in tune better than they will if you have absolute pitch. But if you want to play in standard pitch, you go. But even standard pitch gives you less of a fanfare. If you want a full, broad, holy sound, then you need 432. Now, perfect pitch isn't about being perfectly in tune. Vibrato is going to mess up the pitch, but you have to know how to do it artistically. You have to know how to let it shade your imperfections so that out of the imperfection becomes perfection. See, I know where the notes are supposed to go, but the valves still stick But you can if I can sound like I do on this thing, then you can sound a lot better on what you have. All you have to do is invest in you. Invest in your knowledge, invest in your education. You can be thousands and millions of dollars in debt and still not get anywhere in life. So you need to know what you don't know that you don't know. You need to learn what you didn't know that you could learn. So you need to invest in your education. Now, at the end of that, if you sound like that, you're not going to get very much money.